Did you know that staying informed about financial news and trends can significantly impact your wealth? Picture this. A man named John, a typical middle-class worker, found himself in the middle of an economic downturn. His job was secure, but the value of his savings was plummeting. John, however, was not one to worry aimlessly. He was a voracious reader, always staying on top of the latest financial news. Using the knowledge he had gathered over time, he realized that the downturn could be an opportunity in disguise. John saw that gold prices were at an all-time low. With the economic instability, he predicted that people would soon start investing in gold as a safe haven, pushing its prices up. Acting on this insight, John decided to invest a significant portion of his savings in gold. As he predicted, the tides turned. As the economy continued to struggle, the demand for gold skyrocketed, and so did its price. John's decision to stay informed and act on his knowledge had paid off. His wealth had grown significantly, all thanks to his decision to invest in gold during the downturn. Now let's take a moment to digest the key points from John's story. 1. Staying informed about financial news and trends is crucial. It allows you to spot opportunities and risks that others might miss. 2. Economic downturns are not necessarily all bad. If you stay informed and act wisely, you can use them to your advantage. And 3. Diversification is key. Investing in different asset classes, like gold, can protect your wealth during economic downturns. John's story is a testament to the power of knowledge. By keeping up to date with financial news and trends, you can make informed decisions that can significantly impact your wealth. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay ahead, and always come back for more financial insights and tips. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.